Yesterday was a very rainy day, but today the sun is shining and the birds are singing. I cheers to that. I'm also going to paint my toenails. Wherever you are, I really hope you're having a good sunshiny day like I am. Was at the pickle kitchen doing some pickles, and I kept looking out the window and seeing this. Don't miss the things that matter because you're too busy trying to get to the things that matter. We're too busy doing things to earn the things that really matter, when we really need to just align ourselves with the things of God, the gifts that God gives us. And I believe if we enjoy those things, give thanks to God for the things that He gifts us with, like this blue sky today, the birds singing, the best songs ever. Yeah. Then we will align to somehow be able just to have this all the time. Whatever it is that you want, it may not be what I have. It may not be what I desire. But yeah. When you are given a gift, it's rude not to open it and give thanks, right? So when you see the sun shining and you've been missing it for a while, and God gives it to you, go out and enjoy it and thank God for it. Thank God for the sunshine. And in turn, I promise you, if you really feel that gratitude and give thanks to God, to whom all things come from, or from where all things come. Just watching these birds on the bird feeders. And they thank me all the time. My husband is the one that fills the bird feeders, but he does that for me. Also, he loves the birds. But I'm blessed because the birds are blessed. You see where I'm going? It's like the definition of grace. So these birds haven't done anything to deserve birdseed from a human when they can go out and get whatever they need, right? But we give it to them freely, and then they give us their beauty and companionship, honestly. So many times the birds just show up, and I just feel a knowing with them. Anywho, just give thanks, people. And when you can, open your sunroof if that's all you can do. Catch that sunshine. It's a gift. It is a gift from God. I love you all. Happy Thursday. It is Thirsty Thursday, right? So why not? Cheers.